barely 2 words in, and you already look like you want me dead. You're getting all worked up over nothing. You've changed. You're getting weak.
2, 1, go!
Wer ist größer? Wer ist älter? Wer ist dümmer? Wer hat bessere Noten? Wer ist verfressen? Wer hat den besseren Style?
Freddy, you're supposed to be on lockdown.
Vanessa, life goes on, you know.
How do you find the time to read? You don't have to find the time to read. You just have to be able to dodge your responsibilities.
I think I might just put a knife in it.
I think that's a really good idea.
See if it works. Oh yes, it goes in beautifully.
Beautifully.
There are consequences to saying the N-word.
Why? How do you know? How do you know? Quarter, quarters, no boundary boredom, no boundary boredom. I can do it, no drinking eyes never open. I see somebody will die, and I hate hoping. Wishing that the pills let you cry, and I hate hoping. Someday I will go back outside and see her. Te hablo de la calle porque tu emoción me encanta. Los niños de barrio sueñan con ser traficantes. Aquí no existe miedo, así que vamos todos pa'lante. ¿Quieres que te cuente cómo es que yo crecí? Metido en un barrio donde todos los días hay lío. Muchos chivatos se quedan resentidos. No pueden con lo suyo y están pendientes a lo mío. Dime qué vamos a hacer.
Make the skin color your favorite color. The eye color the color of your birthstone. The hair color should be the color of your shirt. If you wear glasses, add a third eye or, like, just another set of eyes. If your favorite animal has horns, add horns. Or if they have wings, then add wings. If you wear earrings, add those. And everything else is really up to you. Oh, and if you happen to be an artist, draw your monster.
You're officially not coming with me.
You get deja vu.
How do I meet the strangest men? They always seem to find me. Remember that time way back when I kissed a guy who ate his women friends? Now only dogs will follow me. Is he following? I bite at the hand that feeds me. Slap at the face that eats me. Some kind of animal cannibal.
Can I ask you a question?
As long as it's not about my eye. Is it about my eye?
Sort of.
Just ask the question.
What's with the eye?
My patience is waning. Is this entertaining?
Your patience is waning.
Is this entertaining?
I got this feeling, yeah, you know where I'm losing all control. 'Cause there's magic in my bones.
Barely 2 words in. And you already look like you want me dead. You're getting all worked up over nothing. You've changed. You're getting weak.
It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling
Good.
Туториал на ушки? Да легко. Заднюю часть основы должна протыкать палочка. Снаружи крепим уши, а внутри колечко под любой палец. У меня это мизинец. Двигать такими ушами максимально просто. Вообще ничего сложного.
But if you do, please mention that I'd like to have returned the pretty knife that I stuck 10 times in his back. For I sing songs until the break of dawn.
Can I ask you a question?
As long as it's not about my eye. Is it about my eye?
Sort of.
Just ask the question.
What's with the eye?
Toss your dirty shoes in my washing machine, heart. Baby, bring it up inside. I'm not wearing my usual.
2 words in, and you already look like you want me dead. You're getting all worked up over nothing. You've changed. You're getting weak.
I've seen so many comments about this. This is not Dream! This is just supposed to be a depressed dragon who has a happy face on just to cover their face. It's not Dream.
You're officially not coming with me. Porque tu emoción mangante. Los niños de barrio sueñan con ser traficantes. Aquí no existe miedo, así que vamos todos para adelante. ¿Quieres que te cuente cómo es que yo crecí? Metido en un barrio donde todos los días hay lío. Muchos chivatos se quedan resentidos. No pueden con lo suyo y están pendientes a lo mío. Dime qué vamos a hacer.
Shimmy, shimmy, you shimmy ya, drank, swallow la la.
Привет, Ваня. Офицер.
Я здесь, папочка!
Привет, Ваня. Офицер! There are consequences to saying the N-word.
Why? How do you know? How do you know?
The thing next to you is gay.